Question 2. The figure below shows a solid prism with a rectangular cross section. You can see the parts that are hidden have broken lines to show that they are hidden. It's like a box. So the other side that is hidden cannot be seen. Now, the base is PQRS, as you can see. Calculate the length of the projection of PV. PV. Now, PV, we join P to V like that. Although it can't be seen properly, but it is from this end to the other end, to this V, to this vertex. From this vertex, we can drop a perpendicular. So, where the perpendicular is, and from where P starts from, is called the projection. So first of all, the projection as we learned earlier is PR. So in other words, we are looking for the length of PR. So what is the length of PR? Again, we use Pythagoras theorem, where it is the hypotenuse. So we say the PR is the square root of 10 squared plus 8 squared, which will be the square root of 100 plus 64. 100 plus 64, 164, of which you use the calculator, you get the square root of 164. The answer is 12.81. For the answer. That is question 1. Question 2, in Roman, part 2. The length of PV. Now that we have PR, we are looking at the length of PV. So it is like this. PR V. This is 90 degrees. Therefore, this is already 12.81. And this is given as 6. So again, we use Pythagoras theorem. This is the longest side. Therefore, PV is equal to the square root of 12.81 squared plus 6 squared. So PV, but 12.81 squared was 164. So we come back with 164 plus 36. We get the square root of 200. So you can give the answer as 10.2 in thirds. But anyway, you can just find the answer using the calculator. The square root of 200 is 14.14 centimeters. PW. Again, PW is, you just use Pythagoras theorem again. So you can see the main thing is Pythagoras theorem. PW, this is 6, 8. This is 6. Again, it is the longest side. It is the square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared, which will be the square root of, this is like 4, this is like 3. The square root of 100, which is 10. You remember the Pythagoras theorem? If this is 8, this is 6, this must be 10. And that's how we get the answers to the length of lines.